sklearn cluster HDBSCAN. Description: HDBSCAN hierarchical density-based spatial clustering of applications with noise is an unsupervised machine learning algorithm that groups data points based on their density, allowing for clusters of varying shapes and sizes. It builds a hierarchical clustering structure using a density-based approach, identifying clusters as high-density regions separated by low-density areas. HDBSCAN excels in discovering complex cluster structures, handling noise effectively, and identifying clusters with irregular shapes. Inputs: data. A dataset represented as a NumPy array or pandas data frame, where each row corresponds to a data point and each column represents a feature. Distance metric: a function or string specifying the distance metric to be used for calculating distances between data points. Outputs: cluster labels: an array of integer labels indicating the cluster membership of each data point. Noise points are assigned a label of -1. Probabilities: an array of probabilities representing the likelihood of each data point belonging to each cluster. Steps: construct a minimum spanning tree MST connecting all data points based on their distances. Identify clusters by iteratively removing edges from the MST, starting from the longest edges. Clusters are formed by grouping connected components of the MST after edge removal. Metrics: silhouette score measures how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinski-Haraba's index measures the ratio of between cluster variance to within cluster variance, indicating cluster separation and homogeneity. Davies-Bouldin score measures the ratio of within cluster distances to between cluster distances. Lower scores indicating better clustering. Visualization plots: scatter plot visualizes the data points, color-coded by their cluster assignments. Dendrogram: a hierarchical tree structure representing the clustering process, highlighting the merging of clusters at different levels. Fine-tune parameters: min cluster size: the minimum number of data points required to form a cluster. Min samples: the minimum number of neighbors required to consider a point a core point. Metric: the distance metric used to calculate distances between data points. Uncertainty methods: probabilistic cluster assignment. HDBSCAN provides probabilities for each data point belonging to each cluster, indicating the uncertainty in cluster membership. Challenges and fixes: Challenge 1: overfitting to noisy data. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 1: a dataset with a high proportion of noise points, leading to the formation of numerous small, spurious clusters. Fixes to Challenge 1: increase min cluster size to reduce the formation of small, noisy clusters. Increase min samples to require more neighboring points for a point to be considered a core point. Challenge 2: handling clusters with different densities. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: a dataset with clusters of varying densities, leading to clusters with higher densities dominating the clustering results. Fixes to Challenge 2: adjust the min samples parameter to capture clusters with varying densities effectively. Experiment with different distance metrics to account for the varying densities of clusters. Consider using a hierarchical clustering approach to identify clusters at different density levels.